Move, you NPCs. My driving skills are sponsored by God himself. Wait. Oh shit, my incognito tabs. Delete my browser history right now.
Ah, what a lovely afternoon. Smooth traffic, good music, just living well.
Oh gosh.
Man, what is this idiot doing? Stopping right in the middle of the highway? Guess I gotta swerve around.
Oh fuck.
Hey honey, are you gonna hang out with me tonight?
Sure, I'll be there.
See you there, babe.
I have to rescue this guy. I hope he's still alive.
Look at these medical pros working hard, but blocking my way like this? I won't let this slide. Here!
What the fuck is happening to that guy?
Ela fala pra favela inteira que tá louca e toda aberta. Ela botou de estado no zap que cigano que acaba com ela. Novinha, desceu eu
Man, what a nice drive today. Just cruising behind this truck, listening to some good music.
Oh, I meant to play a song. Are you serious?
Oh, hell no.
Just another red light. Nice day for a ride. Traffic is stopped as... No, don't.
I wish she didn't break up with me.
Gosh, that's brutal.
Man, what a gorgeous day for a drive. Just chilling behind this truck. Wait, why are those massive metal cylinders shifting? Man, Turi, if it hits hard, yeehaw. But these steel coil hit harder.
Get out, you little brat. You deserved that. What the heck is the truck doing reversing here? Get out, you little brat. You deserved that. What the heck is the truck doing reversing here? Ouch, the karma hit hard.
What the Sigma